What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Wealthy back at it with another video, and today I'm making a short clip that's gonna help you out with your push-ups, especially to make them harder. Because once you start advancing in this calisthenic game, push-ups do tend to get a bit easier, and a lot of people like to sleep on them just because you don't really feel a pump anymore, or you just have to do a lot of numbers to even feel any like strength gains. For example, I struggle with it, and I know a lot of other people struggle with it, but it's such a fundamental, to calisthenics. So what you want to do is start loading them up. And if you don't have the liberty to train with someone, it's not really easy to put the weight on your back. I've seen people do them by themselves, and it looks a bit funny and hard, so I don't want to go that route. So what I started implementing is resistance bands to make my push-ups harder. And the good thing about these is that they come in a kit, so every band is thicker, so the resistance is greater. So once the red one gets easy, I'm gonna move up, and I'm gonna keep doing it like that till I reach the thickest band. So the simple trick to doing this is just step number one is just put in the band over your fingers like this. So it's gonna look like this. I put them over my thumb like this, and I stretch it out, and then from here I just go over my back like this, and I make sure it's like right underneath my back, like right where my scapula end, which is right here. A lot of other people like putting them on their neck like this. Me personally, I don't like that tension on there, but if that's how you want to do them, go for it. Alright, so step number 2 is to set up and go onto the floor, and this is how I do it. First, I just kneel. Boom, boom. You don't really need a wall to kneel, so I'm gonna show you that again. So it's just one foot first, then the other one, and from here you stretch out the band, you set up, put it on the top of your back, and you stretch one arm out first. Once you're here, you put the other one down, and you basically all set up, ready to go. And from here, you just put in work. And that's all it takes. Simple trick to make your push-ups harder. And subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna keep making small clips like this to help your calisthenic gains, and we're gonna keep chasing after it.